Here is the first example for addition using dots technique. Let's add three numbers. Let the numbers be 486 plus maybe 654, and let the third number be 987. So we are going to do the addition of these three numbers with dots technique. Before proceeding to the addition, let's understand the basic concept. If we are going to get the sum of two numbers as 10, we are replacing the 10 with a dot. Assume we have 6 plus 4 and this gives 10. Now this 10 is replaced by a dot. If we have 5 plus 8 and we get the total as 13, we replace the 10 from 13 with a dot and carry over the remaining 3 to the next addition. That's the basic principle of dots technique. With this in mind, let's add 486, 654 and 987. Now 6 plus 4 gives 10. So just put a dot above 4 and the 0 plus 7. The 0 and plus 7 gives 7. For the next digit, that is 10th digit, 8 plus 5 gives 13. So for the 10 you put a dot above 5 and carry over this 3 to add it with the 8. So 8 plus 3 gives 11. So for the 10 put a dot and the remaining 1 is the total here. Next 100th digit. Now 4 plus 6 is 10, put a dot, and 0 plus 9 is 9. So 917 is the running total. Now to get the final total, simply write 917 and just count the number of dots. Write nothing in the units digit and now count the number of dots. 1 in this 100th digit there is only 1 dot. So write it as 1, and in the 10th digit you have 2 dots. So write it as 2, and finally over here you have only 1 dot. So write it as 1. Now the final total is 7 plus 2 plus 11 plus 2. 2127 is the final total. The dots method, you might think that the method is lengthy. However, for bigger numbers with larger digits and larger summations, this method proves to be accurate, and what you have to do is just count the number of dots and add it with the running total. In the next example, let's calculate addition, or let's perform addition using dots technique.